Hello and welcome to Mother's Day in About Me from my garden. Willkommen am Muttertag, heute dem Mai 2020 in der Corona-Zeit, hier aus meinem Garten. Ich zeige euch mal, wir machen heute ein Brot auf dem Smoker. Dazu haben wir einen Teig gemacht, das ist ein halbweiß Teig. So we prepared the dough and with some yeast and some farina. Yeah, it's a half white bread. I don't know. It's no sourdough. It's just with ordinary yeast. So here's the dough. And this is the pot we're gonna do it in. And this over there is the smoker. Now, as everybody can see, we've changed the flag. It's still Canada, but this time it's Valise. Parce que moi, je suis de Valais, Oberwallis. Mais je parle français un petit peu. Egal. Zurück zum Grill. Back to the barbecue. We are, we're heating up the barbecue, the smoker. That's how we do it. First, we need some kindling and timber, just to light it up. Small wood. Yeah. Cardboard, timber. That's about it. And later on we put this one in. Temperature needs to be 250 degrees. I don't know Celsius. I don't know how much Fahrenheit this is, but probably even more. Okay, there we go. And then, very important, while you're lighting up the smoker, you also have to put the pot. This is a Here it's made of metal. It's a metal pot. You have to put the pot into the oven and preheat the pot to 240 degrees Celsius, which I still don't know how much Fahrenheit it is. A lot more. Okay. Oh, smoker smokes. Preheated. It's not easy to get to 240 degrees. Ich muss noch mal nachlegen. So add some, oh, that's on fire. So, and now we take the dough out of the bowl. And Joan is filming. You want to say hi?
Hello. Hello.
And before we put it on the table, we need some flour.
Flour.
Yeah. Flour, so the dough doesn't stick to the table.
Put the dough out of the bowl.
Yes. Onto the table.
From here.
Like so. Oh. Dann mache ich Knete. Ich weiß gar nicht, wie das heißt auf Englisch.
Mama, wie heißt Knatter auf Englisch? Knatter.
Nein, Knete. Knete, Teigknete. Oh, okay. Also. Baking paper. Now we slice it. 1, 2, 3, and 1. We have the bread. Put it in the pot. The pot is all black, smoked. Okay. Hot. Inside. Nice. In the meanwhile, the ladies prepared the asparagus and the eggplant. This is highly interesting. The temperature has fallen to 200 degrees, 200, and I was afraid it's too low, but actually 4 minutes left to open the lid and open the top lid as well and have the bread baked for another 15 minutes at 180 degrees. And also the eggplant will be get into the cactus check. We have reached 180 degrees. We're gonna remove the top lid of the pot lid. Look at bread. Take a short look. Holzer. Another 15 minutes and we'll be ready to go. Time's up. The bread is ready. So put the very nice. In the meanwhile, put the eggplant back in. Hot, 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 hot. Okay, 150 degrees. More wood. Yeah, and sadly you cannot see the finished bread anymore because it's already eaten up. And we had a very nice baba ganoush, eggplant with a tannin and olive oil, salt and garlic, and the asparagus as well, and some carrots and dips, and it was really nice. But I can't show you the clip because there is no clip and we had guests over, so yeah, next time I hope I can present you a better video. But it has pushed me up to try to bake another bread up in the oven, in the smoker, and I will do that as soon as the weather is better. Because today is the ice Heiligen, it's like the 11th of May, and it's getting cold again. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon. Bye bye.